Yo, I'm back. From the one and only Big Daddy Kit Kat, aka Lil Pez, aka the real M&M, tootsie roll. Candy, all shapes and sizes, poppin', rolling out of the OTC warehouses to your cribs. Sweetness.
Wheels, baby. The ride of all rides. The rap of all rap.
Making the world more fun. Making heads turn. Flexing that OTC love out on the roadways. Bumping. Warren would be so hyped. Word. The Notorious P.A.T, aka the delivery man, is in the house. On a mission to share fun with y'all. Busting moves, hauling product, living large. Coming to an Omaha street near you.
Peace. We fun. We out.